get your coals ready because I'm gonna do a quick recap of my lamb Seekh Kebab. So I'm using 1.5 kg of minced lamb meat. To that I've added some fresh cilantro or coriander. To this I'm gonna add turmeric powder. Now it's time to add the special paste, which is fresh turmeric, ginger, garlic, green chili and red chili, salt to taste. And now it's time to add freshly cracked black pepper, one of my favorite. Start mixing that around. You can use gloves, but my mom-in-law loves to do it with her hands. Now it's time to make these tiny, small to medium size of bowls. Keep them aside when the coal is nice and hot. All you have to do is start making your seeks. And now, one by one, place the meatballs and start squishing it down the way that it is showing in the video. Keep them aside, and now it's just time to throw them into your barbecue. We love doing it the traditional way on the coal. It gives that nice smoky flavor. I guarantee you, you're gonna love these lamb Seekh kebabs. Do try it.